This is gonna be an Egg Wars gameplay with my with the Zero Clan. Some people just are too poor, or not too poor. I mean just are too lazy to switch their gamer tag, aka MLG Nate 2016. So, and then we have Nate Dogg, which he's not even on the starting lineup. So, so yeah, let's get into it. Alright. Yeah.
I already did.
Nate Dogg, why do you have an echo? That's gonna
For
kill
real,
my,
man.
that's gonna kill
For
me.
real, man.
That's gonna kill me. Oh my god.
Yeah, your injury fucked.
Alright.
Bruh.
TJ has 6 subs.
Alright,
TJ has
who's
6
building?
subs.
Who's building?
Nate.
Not out.
Oh, RJ.
I'll build.
RJ, go.
I'll build.
I actually got a keep craft.
Oh wait, our teammate's building.
Alright, let's go.
He can take the blocks.
For the game.
Fucking block. Nathan,
That's
stop
doggy.
it.
But I do.
You just said the N-word.
You can't say that on stream.
You can't say nizzle in my video. You can't say nizzle in my video.
Oh bad.
Not allowed.
You can get him banned.
Not even funny, dude. Not even funny, dude. I mean, Ninja
And Nate
said-
Dogg's like, dormitory.
Nate, stop. None of that, please. Nate, stop. None of that, please. Fucking my ear rape. Fucking raping my ear with your raping my. No, I'm not gonna say it because it's a family friendly channel. Family friendly channel. Nate
That
Dogg.
echo's gonna kill the video.
It is, dude. I swear to God, dude. Don't even fucking include your audio, dude. Just stop.
Man just said family friendly.
Yeah, Nate. Family friendly. Good
He's
joke.
like, roll the outro.
I'm not Randy. Stop. It just had to be said. Oh,
TJ, roll the outro.
I had a frog in my throat.
TJ, roll the outro.
RJ, stop saying that. It's annoying.
Sometimes you just gotta roll the outro though.
RJ, if you say it one
The
more time,
out,
dude, I
the
swear.
outro.
Nate, what the fudge? I'm pushing mid. Oh fuck, fudge. I fudged yellow. Yeah, yellow on me, yellow on me. I repeat, yellow on me. They are bots, they are bots. I'm pushing. I'm pushing
Yeah. Oh wow, you
I
just died.
can't take it seriously. Oh my god.
I'm
Oh
coming.
my god. Alright.
She's like, I
And
can't
back.
even with me right now.
I'm just going straight in. RJ, let's go.
1 second, I'm gonna get an iron sword real quick.
Good old fashioned game of fisticuffs.
What did you say? Fist in what?
Fisticuffs.
English, please.
Hey,
Nobody knows what you're saying.
Go on my phone. Leave me alone. I've been going crazy.
okay.
I'm just singing Block,
Damn.
singing Block Boy K.
They've been going crazy.
Can you stop? I'm sorry. Sometimes I'll just lash out. I forget what I'm saying. Penis.
He's trying to dash.
And he's trying to roll out. Green tea, roll out. Oh my god, dude, look at that. It's like a parade of people.
And she's like, guys, look at that.
I just fell to my death.
I'm not random, dude.
Honestly, I'm just gonna grab a pickaxe.
I bet.
Behind.
I got him. I got him.
And Luke's like, bro,
RJ?
Luke would be like,
What
you
the heck?
good?
That was my kill from the get-go.
It wasn't though.
The
Yeah,
ghetto.
I had more than.
Should I just switch to the Xbox app so I don't have an echo?
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
please.
what I'm doing. That's what I'm
Alright.
doing.
RJ, you don't even have a
RJ,
a fudging mic.
Well, yeah.
A fudging
Well,
mic.
yeah. Fudging.
This kid
the
thinks he's
fudge,
better
man?
than me now.
Nate. Whoa, Nate.
I said fudge. I said fudge.
Go on my phone.
We're all good in the hood.
I've been going
And
crazy.
she's like, I can't even take Nate
I'm
seriously
so dead right now.
This kid is retarded. This
Nate.
kid is. Retarded's not a bad word.
Yes, it is. It's offensive.
To who?
The,
Okay.
the people who are
Oh,
who have that disability.
Yeah.
Their eggs
I'm gonna get
broken.
the egg before
Their
this
eggs
kid.
broken.
Oh.
Eggs are broken. You guys are fudging slow.
you guys are.
I can't. Alright.
I
Get
let's
can't
restart
outplayed.
this.
even.
It's in.
I can't
It is
even
a-
right now.
Do they think they're better? No, we are in zero clan, dude. There's no way you're better.
The Xbox.
Freaking Nate Dogg's better than
Nate,
you.
dog, put your AirPods in so it sounds better.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Dude, holy shit. Oh, holy shoot, it sounds so bad. I got destroyed.
I love that
He's
noise.
making the noises.
It still sounds like shit, Nate. Oh, shoot, Nate Dog. It still sounds like crap.
Wait, you can shoot Nate Dogg?
What?
She's like, I can't even with Nate right now.
It's probably because my AirPod case is in my bag. Hold on.
Sounds better.
Honestly,
Not really,
Yeah,
but.
'cause- hold on.
what a nice person.
Yes, sir. We like that, Nate. We like that. All day, every day.
Who's coming?
Oh,
Does it sound better?
no.
No.
There's just no echo. Cause your mic
Does it
is...
sound like
Jay.
it's like muffled a lot?
No, it sounds like robot-y, like... Robot.
Picking him.
Oh,
Does
no.
it sound like RJ's?
No, it sounds worse.
It sounds. Yeah.
Like,
I'm gonna switch my left earbud.
oh yeah, I bet that's...
Why don't you
worse.
seize both?
Yeah,
Yeah.
For real, man. Honestly.
like you're just not OP.
I'm lagging. Wait, so
Kid
is
is
Nate, are
honestly
we gonna get
annoying.
Nate
He's-
Dogg in next game?
Oh no.
Nah, he's
No.
not good enough. He's literally not even on the starting squad, so why would we? Maybe if Ben was on. I don't think he is, but
Oh my god. We're screwed. Oh my god.
I'm coming.
This is how we die. I'm retreating.
Oh, I got you. I got you, Nate.
These kids are in their own
Sounds
clan.
weird,
Oh yeah, they
They're
are.
in their own
They're in
clan.
T7. These are our rivals.
Alright, now we have to
Yes,
go.
sir.
So alright,
What are the chances?
when I die, I'm actually gonna get armor and shit or shiz.
Daddy Jizz.
Alright, I'm actually.
Daddy Jizz.
Who's crouching?
RJ, you're our only hope.
Wait,
Don't choke.
we still have our egg, I thought.
Yeah, we do.
I know.
It's just
You're the
being
one.
weird.
You're the closest one to there.
Oh, I need a pickaxe if I'm gonna take them out.
OP.
Oh my fucking god.
Eee.
I mean, frickin'.
Did you
That's disappointing.
Oh, blue's coming.
No,
Oh my
they're
god.
not.
Wait, Nate, we need emergency backup.
Nate, we
Oh,
don't
never
need
mind, never mind. They're just blocking off the whale.
that. Nate,
Oh,
next
they're
time
weird.
don't call false comms, alright?
Sorry.
Like, actually, dude, it's kinda toxic. Like, it's like, oh
Bro,
god.
this blowy kid,
Blue's coming.
honestly.
Blue
Oh my god, I can't get iron, dude.
This T7 blowy kid, honestly.
He's giving a blow. No cat. Oh my god.
I was born with this shit.
Oh shit, they're here. They're here. T7 blowy. Oh shoot, they're here. Oh
Where's
shoot.
this man?
Our base is being blowed down.
I one tapped that bitch. The female dog. Give him a blow it. Alright, there's two blues at mid. They're camping the diamond gen.
I'm getting a
Little
diamond
do they
pick.
know that I can go into the top.
Little do they know that we are the better clothes.
We are though.
She's like, don't joke around about that stuff, mate.
We are though. We're not. I'm not
Joker.
joking.
This is
We-
not.
Who's one of the best players in the state? That's. Oh shit. That's zero T. Shoot. That's zero TJ. I just clutched that up, bro. I actually clip it.
I literally.
She's like POV of someone
Oh
getting
no,
ran up
no,
on.
no.
Bro, you
Nate,
just died. You just
Nate-
died a freaking T7 blow. You just got
That's
blowed.
Nate.
Honestly.
I had one heart. Shut the fudge up, you stupid little fucking rat. Hey. PP head brain read. Dumb person. I'm just going off. Can't get demonetized this early in the game. You feel me?
Yeah, you're gonna post this entire stream on your YouTube channel.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna post this one win. And then I'm gonna post some
Post
clips.
the entire stream.
That's literally what I'm
Oh,
gonna
shit.
do. I'm not stupid. Not that stupid. Not that being stupid's bad. It's just
Not smart.
Nate. That's way stupid. That was a stupid. That was a stupid remark.
You mean
Nope.
retarded
Going-
remark?
No, Nate, stop. That's toxic. Guys,
I'm going in for it
it's
all.
clan versus
I'm going for the
clan
gold.
actually. Like it's T7 versus
Yes.
0. This is like the world
How are we
championship,
losing
boys.
to these kids?
World championship. Let's go.
I can't even with Nate.
You're too funny.
It's like go go go.
I just fell off.
My man just committed. Died.
I got the kill. I got the kill. Guys,
Alright, RJ,
guys.
I'm coming.
Oh damn it, he joined back.
He's nerd pulling.
You nice person.
You nice intellectual
Individual.
person.
Midget.
Alright, let's go get them.
Fudge
Give me
me.
cut.
I got him already.
RJ, TJ needs emergency backup, I think.
Alright.
He hit his crits. Holy fucking fudging balls. No.
RJ, let's go.
Alright, bet.
I'm gonna nerd pull up to them.
I bet.
Hey, they're trying to go to our base, man. Oh
Come
shit,
on,
they're not
Nate.
paying attention. Go, go, go!
Nate, going for gold. Man, that's a diamond sword. Get him, get him, get him. Oh, I just took out a diamond sword.
Oh, yeah, I bet. Okay, Nate, just fudging squeal like a pig.
I just died to Blowy.
I bet. Oh yeah, I bet you like getting blown on. Nate, can you stop?
Oh my god, dude.
Your eardrums
All
are, like,
four of them.
bleeding.
None of my teammates are there.
Nate, RJ, we all died.
Why are you complaining?
RJ, we all died. Stop complaining.
We got a diamond gen going.
We all died at
This
some
man's
point.
literally got a fudging chainmail armor and he ate a gapple. Actually, a gapple is not. Blue's at our base. Blue's at our base. Blue made a
Oh my
bridge
God.
to our base.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Nate, stop. Nate, stop, please. I'm not gonna lie, a
Oh, that
gapple
kills.
doesn't sound bad right now.
This means we could just.
You guys
RJ,
think we
can
get
just
a
full
P-gap?
send.
Do you guys know what a
Hap?
P-gap is? It's a powerful gapple.
He's going for it! He's going for it! What the
Go,
hell
go,
is
go,
he?
push,
Wait,
pull,
bro,
push,
man
pull,
was like,
push, pull, push.
he's cranking.
And a diamond sword.
You invite me
No.
next game.
Just let us go to, okay, buddy, just let us go to your base. Nate, what the hell? That was dumb. One push. I'm going for their egg. I'm going. No! What? What? You're shitting. You're shooting me, right?
Alright, we got him. Whoever.
I
who
mean, it's
the hell
nerd
has a
point. I can't
pickaxe?
reach him. I can't reach him.
We won. We won. Oh
Archie,
what?
no.
Archie,
No.
what the
Archie,
hell?
get-
I can't reach him.
RJ lost this
I can't
again.
hit him off.
I got him off.
We're fine.
got him
We
off.
won. We won.
Just
I have no
steal
fear.
my kill.
Bitch.
Just steal my kill. Just steal my kill.
No.
I had him. You literally stole my
I
kill.
flanked him.
No.
Nate.
We love Nate.
Dude, guys. Alright, guys. If you guys didn't know, we all love Nate. I just bought 2 pickaxes here. Have one.
She's like, here, take it.
Take it or leave it. Actually,
All right.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go for the iron sword.
Bro, our teammate's just about to win it for you guys.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he
Let's
is.
go.
No, he's not. I need.
Yeah, he is.
I need armor. Nate, shut up. You're dead.
Oh my god, he just got juked out. He just got juked out.
So he's not gonna win it.
We're going to Dark Blue's base.
Alright. Doesn't even matter.
He's
It's a
on the
3v1.
He is on the whale. He is inside of the whale. He is. Alright, our teammate's gonna win it. Yeah, here.
There.
Yeah, there we go. He just jumped to his death. Good job.
He's like, good job all around.
You guys will probably you guys probably won't see most of the video because I'm probably gonna edit it out, but still, thanks for watching. Peace.